Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Open the emoji post or story and read the caption for rules and timing because speed and compliance matter. Choose one clear theme, color, mood, or object to reduce decision time and keep consistency. Once you commit, pick the first emoji that signals the theme strongly and place it with intent. Early clarity helps viewers follow. Make sure to use any allowed edits quickly and avoid second-guessing. Momentum builds engagement, and judges respond to confident, coherent threads. Now keep the momentum by building a tight 3-5 emoji thread that explains the theme without words. You want a mix of instantly recognizable emojis and one unexpected choice to create delight. This contrast increases shares and saves. Place emojis with consistent spacing and logical order, top to bottom or left to right, so the brain reads the sequence smoothly. Once done, quickly preview on your screen to ensure clarity. Then post while engagement windows are still open for maximum reach. Finish strong, choose a closing emoji that confirms the theme and gives viewers a satisfying payoff, because endings stick in memory. If captions are allowed, add a one-line prompt or call to action to invite likes, comments, or shares. This boosts visibility. If something looks off after posting, edit immediately and explain the small change in one sentence so followers aren't confused. If edits aren't allowed, post a correcting follow-up story quickly. Transparency recovers trust and keeps momentum.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.